guys, welcome to BTech Graphics Design Tutorial 6. In the previous tutorial I explained to us how to set a page and add a background color, and I told you I'm going to be working more on a customized size, which is 5 by 5. You can see it's customized size 5 by 5, and I'm going to be working more on inches. So I told us that to form an automatic background on this page, you left click, double left click on the rectangle tool, and it will give you an automatic rectangle which is 5 by 5 on the page. You can see it is 5 by 5, and I told you that you highlight your page before you set a color to it, a particular color. I said if you didn't highlight it and you pick on color, it's not going to add the color and it will give you another result. So in this tutorial I told you I will be working more on an example. This is an example of a graphics design that is for a Thanksgiving service and is sent forth of a particular association that I designed for them. Now you see this in this is a particular type of graphics design. There are other types of graphics design which we will talk on later. Now this is an advertising graphics design. You can see this is used to advertise a program that is about to come up. Now we'll be working more on this particular design and how we arrived at this graphics design. Now first thing you can see in this place, the completion of this graphic design is this. Now in this one we set a background. First thing you need to do when you want to do a kind of design like this is to set a background by double left clicking on the rectangle tool, and it will form a automatic rectangle on the page. Now the next thing is to add color to this page. To add color, this particular type of color, let's see, if I click on yellow, you see the yellow looks like yellow, but it is not really yellow. So I need to form this particular color. I double click on this color mixer here, and I'll add 20% magenta. Let's see, you can see the color is the same now, and I click yellow. That is deep yellow. It is called deep yellow. Now I'll be able to form my color, which is a deep yellow color. As you can see now, it is a deep yellow color. Now when you are working on a graphics design, before you go on to add any text, as you can see here, you must first complete the whole background you want. You must set the whole background that you want. After the background, you go on to the text you want to add into your graphics design. Now I want to call you to an attention of something. See, in this particular graphics, you can see that at the edge here there is no borderline. You can see no borderline here. So if you look at this one, at the edge you see there is a black borderline formed. So we have to remove this borderline. Later I will show you how to add borderline to your graphics design and to the text. You see in this particular design there is no borderline in the text at all. The text is a plain text, no borderline. But as we go on in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add borderline to text and your page. Now I'm going to remove this borderline, and this borderline will be removed from here. You can see this place is named outline, so I'll remove this outline because the previous one I did has no outline. So I'm going to remove the outline from this one too as well. So to remove outline, you click on this place and say none. So if I check again, I'll see that you see that there is no borderline.